Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen problem. For this, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the three dots. Now, click on the settings option. Now, scroll down and click on the notifications option. Scroll down. Now, in the calls section, click on vibrate option and set it on default. Click on ringtone and select any one of them. After that, click on OK. Now go back to the home page and open the settings app. Scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on WhatsApp. Now click on notifications option and tap on the toggle against WhatsApp notifications to turn it on. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.